7 hidden Airbnb expenses
that nobody's talking about.
Laundry, it's for the birds. As an Airbnb host, we all know laundry is a huge part of our day-to-day. If you send the laundry out, if you have someone else do it, okay, you know how much the cost is. But what if you do it yourself? Do you know how much it's impacting your washer and dryer, your water bill, the time you take to get it done? You're not accounting for that, that expense is gonna creep up on you.
Stop sweeping your preventative maintenance costs under the rug. Some of those hidden costs include deep cleanings that need and must take place at your home, cleaning out your dryer vent, HVAC maintenance on a regular schedule, touch-up painting. You're gonna need to keep your walls fresh for your guests.
When it comes to the software that you can use to help you run your Airbnb business, the most expensive one is your property management software. So think, like, for example, we use Hostfully. That is our biggest expense. The other softwares that are out there that will help you run your business, they're not big expenses, per software, per subscription, per month. But once you grow and you add them all on, it can add up.
Those hidden service fees include your online travel agencies, your OTAs like Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking.com. Maybe you have a direct booking site. That doesn't mean you get away from all the service fees. You're gonna have to pay to process payment, whether that be through Stripe, your bank, PayPal. You need to make sure you're looking out for these.
But like, how cute are these branded cookies or this branded mug or this tote bag? If you're thinking about having amenities for your guests, like the ones you see here, we love that for you. Be hospitable. But make sure you're working in how much this costs to replenish and to offer each guest is built into your budget, because if not, it'll sneak up on you.